How to become very skinny by increasing your body's metabolic rate. Age remains one of the most important factors that trigger changes in body metabolism. It is crystal clear that as people age, they find it difficult to eat like their younger selves. The simple reason is that metabolic processes tend to decrease with age, making it very easy for the body to add extra visceral fats and at the same time a lot more difficult to lose them. So bear this in mind: as you get older, you are most likely going to gain weight. This can be a source of great concern for many, as gaining weight comes with a lot of health hazards. Are there things to do to fight back and ultimately combat this age-related decline in metabolism? In this video, explanations on why body metabolism declines with age and what you can do to increase your body metabolic rates are immensely highlighted. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. Why the body's metabolic rate declines with age. Scientific explanation. Metabolism is the process that turns food into energy, so your body can work right. As you get older, your metabolism slows down. There's a scientific reason why metabolism slows down and why the human body never responds the same way to weight loss efforts with age. Recent research revealed that as we age, we tend to gain weight to the tune of 1 to 2 pounds per year. Little as it may seem, but over time it can lead to significant weight gain and, in some cases, obesity. A few scientific explanations to this include, among others, loss of muscle, general inactivity associated with aging, and natural drop in metabolic processes due to aging. For instance, it has been scientifically established that at 30, you could lose as much as 3% to 5% of your muscle mass every decade via a condition known as sarcopenia. Meaning that it will only become more difficult to keep your metabolism chugging along at the same pace. As indicated previously, age-related muscle loss, called sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging. After age 30, you begin to lose as much as 3% to 5% per decade. Most men will lose about 30% of their muscle mass during their lifetimes. One likely explanation for sarcopenia is the natural reduction of a hormone known as testosterone, which stimulates protein synthesis and muscle growth. Some researchers have reported the following factors that activate muscle mass loss. 1. Shortage in nerve cells responsible for sending signals. 2. Decrease in concentrations of some hormones, including growth hormones and testosterone. 3. Not getting enough calories or protein each day to sustain muscle mass. Sarcopenia may cause a person to reduce their participation in physical activities. This decrease in activity causes even further muscle loss, which can adversely affect a person's quality of life. Another scientific explanation for the decline in body metabolism is gender and gene. It has been established that males tend to have more accumulated fat in their abdomen, whereas females have more fat between their muscles and skin and stored in their lower body. Females have 2/3 of the skeletal mass and twice the adipose tissue as males. This disparity in the distribution of subcutaneous fat puts the males at a disadvantage in terms of some illnesses, as having a higher amount of abdominal fat puts males at a higher risk of heart disease, diabetes, and other predisposing health conditions. Therefore, the fat distribution in females is more beneficial. Females, however, have more slow-twitch muscle fibers, which means they use more fat while exercising. After exercising, females burn more carbohydrates, while males begin burning fat after exercising. This causes weight loss to be more difficult for females and easier for males, since they continuously are burning fat mass after exercising. Irrespective of the fact that females have more difficulty losing weight, both male and female metabolisms change with age, and both slowing metabolisms can yield weight gain. Another scientific explanation for the decrease in metabolism with age is the gene. Your ability to lose weight is encoded in your DNA. That's why people react differently to diets and workout. This lends credence to the reasons why some people's dietary lifestyle builds visceral fats while some people on the same diet will never add weight. Gene expression can also account for 10% of a cell's energy budget, which undergoes complete ATP turnover every minute. Multi-layered feedback repression enables gene expression to adapt to variable metabolic rates. Again, as stated earlier, sarcopenia triggers a tremendous reduction in participation in physical activities with age. This takes a terrible toll on the body's energy metabolism, with a decline in the way the body burns fat. Inactivity can also lead to muscle atrophy, which is the loss of muscle tissue. Research has shown that muscle atrophy can occur after long periods of inactivity. If a muscle does not get any use, the body will eventually break it down to conserve energy. With all that said, here is the part of the video you are most likely most interested in. How to get skinny by rebooting a slowing metabolism. In other words, how can you increase your metabolic rate as you age? Or at least, keep it from slowing down. The following are a couple of things you can do if you're looking to lose weight or stop pounds from creeping on as you advance in age. 1. Get enough sleep. Sleep is an often neglected lifestyle factor that also plays an important role in rebooting a declining metabolism, leading to the enhancement of weight loss. There is no substitute for getting enough sleep once you get older. Sleep has a great role to play in the rejuvenation of your body's metabolism, as more calories are burnt during sleep, and also getting enough sleep optimizes efficient nutrients utilization in the body. Health experts' recommendations for sleep is 7 to 9 hours per night, but most people sleep less than this. Many studies have shown that sleep deprivation can lead to a condition known as metabolic dysregulation. Also, sleep deprivation is linked with oxidative stress, glucose intolerance, and insulin resistance. So, avoid poor sleep at all costs if you want to lose weight via an active process of enhanced metabolic rate. The next thing to do that has a tremendous effect in enhancing metabolism is to try out a well-formulated weight loss supplement. There are a lot of weight loss formulas that are scientifically manufactured with the concept of rebooting body metabolism with age. One such product is Metabofix, which I highly recommend. Metabofix has a combination of green mango, aronia berries, mulberry fruit, cinnamon bark, and black pepper extract, along with over 3 billion digestive enzymes that makes sure your body uses and absorbs every last nutrient that goes into it. Metabofix is the only product in the world that contains these 26 unique polyphenol blends. With Metabofix, and in just 4 seconds every morning, you can 1. Quickly flatten your stomach without exercise or skipping meals. 2. Get an amazing surge of sustainable energy that lasts all day long. 3. Thin out your thighs, shrink your waistline and slim your hips. 4. Experience improved mental focus and concentration. 5. Melt away even the most stubborn hormonal belly fat after age 45. Metabofix supplement helps you achieve your weight loss goals as you set them. Check out our review video on Metabofix. And if you are looking to buy Metabofix from the official website at a discount, then click the first link in the description box below. Another thing you can do to ensure that your body metabolism does not slow down with age, aside getting enough rest or taking health supplements, is to get enough physical exercise. Aerobic exercise helps in reviving declined metabolism. Aerobic exercises such as brisk walking, swimming and water aerobics, bike riding, jogging, dancing, tennis, and badminton can improve your metabolism. Yet another thing you can do is to drink enough water. Your body is crying for water. Give it enough so that you can stay hydrated. Staying hydrated all time helps to improve your body metabolism by a process known as thermogenesis or heat production. The heat generated through thermogenesis speeds up metabolism. Water will also help to reduce your overall liquid calorie intake. This is because once you are used to drinking a lot of water, there is every chance that you will jettison beverages that add more calorific value to your diet. It has been also established that upping your water intake may increase lipolysis, the process by which the body burns fat for energy. So one subtle way to improve your declining body metabolism as you get older is to stay hydrated by drinking a lot of water. The last thing you can try is resistance training. Research shows that resistance training, whether done via body weight, resistance bands or machines, dumbbells, or free weights, not only helps us build strength, but also improves muscle size and can help counteract age-related muscle loss, there improving metabolism. Bottom line. It is a known fact that metabolism gets sluggish with age. Some of the scientific explanations for this include gender and gene, losing muscle mass, and inactivity. There are many approaches used in fighting back sluggish metabolism as one ages. They include getting enough sleep, drinking enough water to stay hydrated, trying aerobic exercises and resistance training, and the use of a very good weight loss formula such as Metabofix. Click the links in the description to watch the Metabofix review or to buy the product. Share this video with those who are looking to lose weight too. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.